name is Shaun Fabos. I'm one of the owners at Fab Factory Studios. We built this compound for a creative oasis. We really want people in all the rooms to start coming together to collaborate. Our vision was artistic aspects in the hallways and in the rooms themselves to help that creative spice come in that you see everywhere, and you're just inspired while you're walking around. Your batteries are recharging as you're going to get a cup of coffee or taking a break.
Hey, I'm Tyler Scott, and I'm a mix engineer. Worked on amazing artists like Chloe and Halle, JoJo.
Hi, my name is Mike Tucci, and I'm a mastering engineer here in LA.
Hi, my name is Rob Seasway. I am a studio consultant and engineer.
So Fab Factory Studio One was absolutely mind-blowing. It was incredible to hear music in that way. It was just mind-bending.
We chose PMC because of how incredible they are sounding and the impact and the clarity that they give. That's really why we wanted to bring them into the Atmos rooms that we designed here, and also even in our stereo rooms now.
So I was in the studio with the pair of 8.2 XPD, and I think they also had the 6s on the desk. And I mean, the 6s, honestly, they stand up to those 8.2s so well. Mid-range is clear, low end is full, and then the 8.2s just expand on that. So I really love how those sound.
Studio One was incredible. We listened to some content, we listened to some music, blew me away. The PMC setup in that room is 1116. The CI series is in that room as well. So the CI 140s on the walls. In the front, there's the MB3 XPD, and literally I could feel my soul shaking.
It's been fantastic with PMC. They've been incredible. We've been super happy. They've been there the whole step, all the way through from start to finish, and making sure that we are sounding incredible. It's been awesome. It really has been. I can't say enough. We're super, super happy with everything.